Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some more important bits regarding the Unit 5 from the 7th class English content. Choose the synonym of the word distruster. Answer disbelieve. We learned that the inhabitants of the islands were the aboriginal tribes. In the above sentence, what is the meaning of the underlined word aboriginal? Answer original people belonging to a place. I was glad that they went to their holes as daylight came on and I was able to come out again. In the above sentence, daylight is dash. Answer compound noun. According to the lesson, a trip to Andaman, where did they reach after 2 days? Answer Port Blair. According to the lesson, a trip to Andaman, the writer and his sister enjoyed a jolly ride on the dash. Answer elephant. Choose the antonym of the word suddenly. Answer gradually. According to the lesson, a trip to Andaman, the writer and his family started from which place to a trip to Andaman? Answer Vijayawada. Choose the antonym of the word hostile. Answer friendly. According to the lesson, a trip to Andaman, the exciting place is dash. Answer Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. Choose the antonym of the word notorious. Answer famous. How much area was the Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park spread over? Answer 15 islands. The ship dash after sounding a loud horn. Fill in the blank with proper phrasal verbs. Answer: set out. According to the lesson A Trip to Andaman, where did they reach from Port Blair? Answer: Havelock Island. They are all bent to dash the boss. Fill in the blank with proper phrasal verb. Answer: set against. We had been longing to make a trip to Andaman. Find out the meaning of the underlined word longing. Answer: want something very much. They dash with each other when the police dash. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the verbs. Answer: were fighting and arrived. When I answered a question correctly, the English teacher dashed me on my back and said, "Well done, smarty." Her dash made me feel very happy and proud. Fill up the blanks. Answer: patted and pat. Father was dash the TV when the telephone bell dash. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the verbs. Answer: watching and rang. Match the following with the synonyms. Answers: vanish, disappear, treating, curing an illness or injury, inhabited, lived, creek, a narrow area of water where the sea flows into the land, ferry, a boat or a ship that carries people, goods, vehicles across a river. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.